Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Vidyarthipoint. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and comments in the comment section about the videos. Today's topic is 10 lines on national bird peacock. First one, peacock is the national bird of India. Next, peacock is a blue colored bird and its feathers are blue, green and golden. Next, peacocks are found in India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Africa. Next, peacocks looks beautiful in their colorful feathers. Next, peacocks looks very lovely when it dances in the rain. Next, peacocks cannot fly much high. Next, peacock has a huge tail. Next, in nights, peacocks go on trees to protect themselves. Next, peacock is the male one and peahen is the female one. Next, the life of peacock is generally up to 10 to 25 years. Thank you.